Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Lunar Lighthouse puzzle box. This puzzle was designed by Joseph Cowell. Difficulty level of the Lunar Lighthouse puzzle box is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to find the beacon and put it on top of the lighthouse. Probably you've noticed that the lighthouse is a little bit shorter than it's supposed to be, since the top part of it is hidden inside in a compartment, so it's a puzzle box. And you have to figure out the way how to remove that part and put it on top. There is a second challenge, which requires you to find a small moon that you can put right here in this window. The Lunar Lighthouse puzzle is a 3D printed puzzle. It was made using 3 different colors, white, red, and black. And it is a very well printed puzzle. If you take a closer look at the puzzle, you will find that there is a gap between top and bottom part, and you can move the top piece a little bit. And at some point when solving the puzzle, you will be able to remove the top part and find the hidden compartment. But for now, it is locked and you have to figure out how to open it. If you shake the box, you will hear that there is a lot going on inside. Some of these noises are parts of the beacon, but some of them may relate to the mechanics of the puzzle. So you have to decide which sound is important and which is no. If you like how the Lunar Lighthouse puzzle box looks and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.